No Photoshop. No design background. Just one free tool that helped me turn basic flyers into cash. This is how I started earning online using PosterMyWall, and you can do it too. A friend once told me about this site called PosterMyWall. I ignored it at first, thinking it was just another Canva alternative. But one day I gave it a try. And everything changed. PosterMyWall is an online design platform, no installation, no learning curve. You can create posters, flyers, thumbnails, social media posts, and even sell your designs. There are two types of accounts on PosterMyWall: white heavy checkmark the regular user account, for anyone who just wants to design or download templates. White heavy checkmark the creator account, this is where the money is made. Once you have a free user account, you can apply to become a creator. Go to My Stuff, click on Become a Designer. PosterMyWall will ask you to submit a few sample templates. At the start, I had no idea how to design. So, I studied what others were doing. These sites gave me instant ideas: Small Blue Diamond PosterMyWall's own popular templates section. Small Blue Diamond Canva templates, just for layout inspiration. Small Blue Diamond Envato elements. Small Blue Diamond Pinterest, tons of poster ideas. Small Blue Diamond Behance, professional designs to analyze style. I wasn't copying, just studying structure, fonts, and color use. Then I would build my own version. We will make a quick flyer together before the video ends. To give some insight and quick pro tips. I will pick a template for a music event. Just follow to the end and watch how I change the title, swap the background, and tweak the fonts, all in less than 5 minutes. Once my designs look clean and professional, I will upload them. Whenever someone edits your design and purchases it, PosterMyWall pays you. Simple. The key is, be consistent, study trends, and upload frequently. Even if you're not a creator, you can use PosterMyWall to earn in other ways. Small Orange Diamond offer design services on Fiverr or Upwork. Small Orange Diamond promote your templates in Facebook groups. Small Orange Diamond design for churches, schools, or businesses in your area. You can even use PosterMyWall to make YouTube thumbnails, Instagram promos, or digital ads for clients. Here are my top tips. 1. Study designs before you create. 2. Don't be afraid to tweak existing templates just for inspiration from other designers. 3. Focus on niches, church flyers, birthday invites, event promos. 4. Upload regularly if you're a creator. 5. Use social media to share your designs. I started this as a fun experiment. Now, it's an actual side hustle that fits into my lifestyle. And it's 100% beginner friendly. If you want a tutorial on applying to become a creator or how I upload and tag my templates, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos about AI tools, side hustles, and making money online. Now let's get started with the design I mentioned earlier.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow
slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up